Hello everyone. Here we are talking about extension you can install free from Adobe Exchange, and after installing you will have two menus in Adobe InDesign: TreeShade, the software name, TreeShade menu, and also Live Snippets. Live Snippets connect text files and assets, image, icons, photos to your document in dynamic way, so you can update the external files and reflect that modification to your document. Also, the external content can be connected to online form, so your collaborator or your customer can modify the form online and update the design automatically and remotely through a server on your computer, local server that open Adobe InDesign in background without your interfering, update the content, export PDF and close in background. So here now we will talk about cells, how you can place text files or image in cells horizontally or vertically. So I have created text frame here, and inside the text frame the text cursor it's empty. From TreeShade menu you can reveal your document in Adobe Bridge by using this command. There is a command in file menu already called the browse in bridge, but it's not working good, and this command don't select your document, just open the folder without selecting it, but here it select the document also. Like if we go here, reveal the document in bridge, the document selected. Here we have text file, special text file you can select, you can create from TreeShade menu in Adobe Bridge. This menu in Adobe Bridge, not in InDesign. And here you have new command, so you can select this text file to be copied here. It has the settings for the online form. So let's create a list of text. This folder data, and now from TreeShade menu in a new command you have this plain text. This command already installed with the TreeShade. So here let's create text 1. Text 2. And text 3. Okay. Now we have 3 text files. You can double click the text file in Adobe Bridge to reveal its content in this window. So here, first cell in the row. Some text in the second cell. More text here. Okay, now we have 3 text files. Let's place it in design, in cells. The text files exist inside data folder beside the InDesign document. So here, at first, from live snippet menu, select new live snippet, and then write this hashtag and then /number to create dynamic live snippet. So you can specify the relative path, so the content of the snippet, not specific text file, but list of files determined by the relative path, not only one file, list of them. Now you can write, instead of that, the relative path directly, but without dot slash. Just write data immediately, the folder name, and here write the text file name, what we name the file, text1, text2, text3. So you can write here text1, we select a new live snippet, so TreeShade consider it dynamic, so let's cancel. To place text, if the text file already exists, you don't select a new live snippet, but you select place live snippet because you want to place the text file here. So you can select place live snippet, and now if you click OK, the snippet will be placed. Let's make format paragraph style. Here at first you will have non-printing anchor text frame. So it marks the beginning of the snippet inside the story. If the snippet inside a story, a long story, this marks the beginning of the snippet. Here you have the relative path to your text file, and you can modify the style here for preview. Like I can increase the text size. It's by default 5 pt. Let's make 18, and then redefine. Ctrl Shift Alt R, redefine, Ctrl Shift R. Okay, now we are not talking about that. Let's focus on this session and place the list of text files, not only one. So instead of that, let's make here not live snippet, dynamic live snippet. So the content is dynamic, not related to specific file. So here, a new live snippet, and instead of specifying the relative path of the text file, let's write hashtag. It means inline, that the dynamic snippet inline in the document represents the instance itself, and have variable to specify a list of files as text files or image. Okay. Now, after specifying the name of the dynamic live snippet, here you can write the relative path. But in dynamic, you need to write dot slash to reference the text file of the snippet. But because we don't have here text file, we have inline dynamic text file. So you need to write this to reference the document itself. This means the current location of the document. If you want the parent of parent, write 2 dots like that. And then write data, and then text, and instead of specifying the number, like text 1 or text 2 or text 3, you can write asterisk. So here, wildcard to retrieve all the text files. Then colon, then place the command to place the text files, then colon again, and the separator between them. Let's make a new line, \r, and okay. Now you have dynamic live snippet. Its content related to a list of text files. So here you can click new, plain, and make text 4. Okay. New text. Now, when you update the dynamic live snippet here, or update the entire document, the live snippet in entire document, like here, update all, you will have the 4 text files included here. So now you can delete any file or add, and here the list will be updated dynamically. Suppose you want what you suppose you want. Suppose you want to make the list inside cells. So here you can select the text inside the non-printing anchor text frame, or select the non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning, or insert a text cursor inside. All that select the live snippet. So you can just insert the text cursor here, and from live snippet go to dynamic, then dynamic content to identify the phrase that retrieve the list of files. And here, instead of \r, you can write cells. Insensitive, so you can write capital letters or small letters, no different. And then you can write like this to make horizontal in one line, and let's go again, dynamic content, you can write this bar to make vertical. Here you can make object style, you can make table style for the table. So dynamic table style, because this table created each time the live snippet updated, so you couldn't assign a table style manually. Like here, if I select the table and let's make table style, let's name table 1 or table A. Now we assign table A to this table. If we update a dynamic live snippet, update selected, now the table style will not be assigned. So what you can do here in dynamic style. In dynamic, you need to select dynamic style, and here write a list of values, then the style, value, then style, separated by 2 columns, and the value and style 1 column. Like here, you can write table A, then column, then table for table style, and then 2 column, and write list, then para for paragraph style. Okay. Now, if you select the paragraph style of the live snippet, you will see that when you update the dynamic live snippet, a new paragraph style created automatically, list, and here the table assigned table 1, table A. So now you have table and have paragraph style. Okay, now let's format again the new style of the paragraph. And when live snippet, when TreeShade create the table A, it's not only the table created, it also creates the paragraph styles. But here only the table, because it's already exists. The table style already exists. If the table style already exists, TreeShade just assign the style. But if it's not exist, TreeShade will create the table style and the cell style and the paragraph styles and assign each type of cell styles to the left column and to the body and to the header automatically. But here, the style already manually created, so it's not work. Now we can modify the name of the table style. Like table B. Okay. Now if we go to table, you will see that the table have style table B, and if you go to cells styles, you will see a list of table B body, table B header, footer, left, right. All these created automatically. So now you can just click here and modify the format of the paragraph style. Also the paragraph style created automatically. Table B body, header, footer, left to right. So here can just format and also you can format the cell styles like for cell styles, if we right click on header, you can change it to be based on tables, table B body. So you just modify table body instead of modifying all. Now the style here, table B left, because there is only one column on the left. So right click on table B left and edit, make based on body. Now let's modify the body. Okay. Now what we want, what if we want the rows, the cells to be in one row? So now you can select dynamic style. No, not dynamic style. The separator in dynamic content. So go to dynamic content, and here right dash. Now the cell in one row, but the problem is the width. So now you can add width in dynamic style. The width is not actually style, but you can put here anyway. Here in the method, you can put select font, font style, size, color justification, character direction, paragraph direction, paragraph here, paragraph style, character style, object style. And here you have height, width, area, rotate, share, short, long. This short and long good for layouting the image, because it assigned to the long edge or short edge, despite if it's horizontal or vertical. Merge for cells, cell style, row style in the table, column and table. So here you can add column, then the value, which is 100%, then width. Now the table automatically fit to the text frame width. So if you reduce the width of the text frame and then update live snippet all, the table automatically changed to have the width of the frame. Here the format changed because we have cell styles, not only the left. Here the left we make based on body, but here table body. We change the paragraph style of left, but not the body. So here you can also make the style based on body, table B body, and let's change table B. Let's just reformat here. And here the right, you have also right, table B right. So just change the style, the paragraph style, to based on table B body. Okay, now all the text set. Let's update. Update selected. Okay. Now you can easily change the cells to be vertical or horizontal by modifying the dynamic content here, and after cells write dash or bar to make horizontal or vertical, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask anything about TreeShade, how to use it. It's totally free. You can install from Adobe Exchange, and it enables you to to connect the document to text files and assets in dynamic way and make online forms so the content can be updated dynamically. Thank you for watching and goodbye.